Good evening, my dear children. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay. Gautam, Geraldine, only very less children. 17. Okay. Now all are joining. Okay, children. Now let me take class. So we were dealing with the lines and angles, isn't it? Lines and angles. One question we have done. Isn't it? Yes, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. One question. One question we have done. That 50, 130 AB parallel to CD like that. Okay, children, now shall we start doing? We'll continue because some exercise questions are there. Okay, my dear children. So start writing. Okay, so we'll continue. Can you see the board? Can you see the board, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have to do with some another question based on this topic. Okay, lines parallel to the same line. 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 Okay, children. Actually, this is lines parallel to the same line means. Will you listen to me? Afterwards, you can write. Yes, lines parallel to the same line means. I have here we have one line, and it is A. Okay, it is line A. Simply one name A. And I'm drawing one parallel line to this line on the top of it. And it is line B. Okay, children. That is A parallel to B. Did you understand? A parallel to B. Again, I will draw one more line here down. And its name is C. Okay. Now, C is parallel to A. Did you understand? Did you understand this?
Yes, ma'am.
Here, only one line is there. That is line A. And I have drawn one parallel line to line A on the top. And its name is B. So that A and B are...
Yes, ma'am.
Again, I have drawn one more parallel line down, and it is also parallel to A, and its name is C. Okay. Now these two, since these two lines are parallel to A, these all three lines are parallel. Okay, children? Did you understand? All three lines are parallel. That is like this. A parallel to B, A parallel to B. Okay. And C parallel to A. Or I will write again. See, children, one more time I will draw. There is one parallel line A, B, and C, one more parallel line. We can write like this. B is parallel to A and C is parallel to A. That means B and C are parallel. B and C are parallel. Did you understand? All these are parallel lines. All these are parallel lines. So this is a very important one. if you are drawing a line B parallel to A, if there is another line C parallel to A, that means all these lines are parallel, B parallel to C. Clear? Clear? All these lines are parallel, A parallel to B parallel to C. All these lines are parallel. Did you understand, children? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And this theorem we can tell like this: lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. I will write the explanation. I will write the explanation. Lines which are parallel to the same line, lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. Parallel to each other. Lines which are parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. Finished? Yes or no? It is very easy. 3 lines are parallel to each other. If you are drawing parallel lines like this, parallel, down and bottom, down and top, it will be parallel to each other. Okay, children. Now we will write the questions based on this. Okay. First question is, first one, in figure PQ parallel to RS. In figure PQ parallel to RS. Angle MXQ equal to 135 degree. And angle MYR equal to 40 degree. Find angle XMY. Okay, children, this is the question figure given in the question, but no need of drawing anything there. As an answer, you have to draw this figure again. Okay, you have to draw this figure again, And we have to draw some more lines, so it is easy for us to find the answer. This is a question figure given in the question. As an answer, you have to draw it again. Okay, children, now you draw again. Again the same thing, and I'll show you. As an answer, you have to draw this again. Same one. AB, PQ and RS are parallel. PQ and RS, X, Y, M, 135, and this is 40 degree. See children, see for proving. Finished? Hello? Did you finish drawing?
No, ma'am.
Listen children, for finding the answer, we here this angle you have to find out, this angle. What is the name of the angle? Angle MXY. Clear? XMY we have to find out. For finding that, we are drawing one more parallel line through the middle, through M. And its name is AB. 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 Through M, we are drawing one more parallel line. Now, we have to find this angle. Did you get any idea after drawing this parallel line? We have to find that middle angle. Look at the figure carefully. For our proof, we have drawn one more line like that. And find out, okay, how can you find that angle? Yes, children, any idea? Any idea? Listen, children, can you find this angle? After drawing that parallel line, it will be easy for you. Will you tell? Will you tell what is the answer? Any connection between these two? Am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Then tell the answer. Any connection is there between that angle and that angle?
I'm alternate interior.
So what is the measurement?
40.
40. Good. Measurement is 40. Now, again, after drawing that parallel line only, you will understand. Okay. And what about this one? What is the connection between this and this? What is the connection between this angle and this angle? Don't hesitate to tell the answer. If it is
Ma'am,
wrong,
90
also-
degree.
not 90 degree, not 90 degree, not 90 degree. But what is the connection between this angle and this angle? What is that? You know it. You know. Others also think. Not only Srihari, others. Children?
Ma'am, 180 minus
135. Good. That angle is 180 minus 135. And what is that? 45, isn't it? 45. Okay. Because these two angles are supplementary interior angles on the same side of the transversal. Okay. Now you will write it. Angle BMY. We can write angle BMY equal to 40 degree. Reason alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Again angle BMX equal to 180 minus 135 equal to 45. Reason interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary.
Can you say that one?
Okay, reason is interior angles on the same side of the transversal or co-interior angles, consecutive interior angles, lot of names for that, on the same side of the transversal. Now, what is the sum of these two angles? Angle X, M, Y, we have to find out. What is that? Any idea? Angle X, M, Y? Yes? Angle X, M, Y is? This one we have to find, this bigger one.
Ma'am, angle
Middle one. Yes.
YMB plus
Ah.
angle XMB.
What is that? Because the middle one is split into two angles. This one and this one. These two angles. So when you add those two, you will get the answer 45 plus 40 equal to 85. Equal to 85. After drawing that parallel line, it will be easy for us to do. Yes, children. Shall we move to the next one? Shall I raise the board, children? Yes? Okay. Now we'll move to the second one. Second question. Second question. In figure AB parallel to CD. In figure AB parallel to CD. And CD parallel to EF. CD parallel to EF. Also EA perpendicular to AB. EA perpendicular to AB. If angle BEF equal to 55 degree, find X, Y and Z. There are three parallel lines in the figure. Look at here properly. There are three parallel lines. And the name of these parallel lines are A, B, C, D and E, F. A, B, C, D and E, F. C, D and E, F. And there is a perpendicular line to AB. And its name is EA. EA. Okay, children, this is the figure given, and I will explain what all things are in the question. See, children, it is given that another color I will use. Children, it is given that this angle is 90 degree. Okay, children, listen. Listen, kids. Hello. This angle is 90 degree. Okay, because it is perpendicular. Now, what about this one? Huh?
That is also 90.
That is also 90 degree because all these are parallel. AB parallel to CD, parallel to EF, all it is given. So one is 90 degree, other one also 90 degree. And what about this one?
90 degree.
That also 90 degree. So this and this and this, all these are 90 degree because it is given that AB parallel to CD and CD parallel to EF. Now what can you tell about Z? Can you find out Z then? Yes?
90 minus 55.
90 minus 55. Good. 90 minus 55. So we got the angle 90 minus 55 and it is 35, right? It is 35. Yes, children. Now, what is Y? Look at here. What is the connection between this
35.
55 and Y?
Interior angles on the same side.
Last question, the same was there. So interior angles on the same side of the transversal and it is supplementary, right? It is supplementary. Supplementary, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So we have to subtract from what? 180. We have to subtract from 180 minus 55. Reason, interior angles on the same side of the transversal, on the same side. On the same side. And what is the answer, children? Y equal to 180 minus 55 and what is the answer?
25.
Yes, children, what is 180 minus 55?
125.
100 and?
25.
Yes, 125. And what about this one, X? Is there any connection between this Y and X? Y and X. Y and X, which type of angle it is?
Corresponding.
Yes, good, Srihari, but no other person is telling the answer. Only Srihari is telling the answer. What is the connection between this X and Y? Its shape is like this, one like this and one here. So what is the connection between X and Y? X and Y will be equal. So equal to 125 itself. Reason, corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Did you finish writing? I want to see all the girls, Adulya, Gauri, Elsa, Lakshmi Nanda. Did you understand the question? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand how did we get the answer? Sania Jinu?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we'll move to the next one. Ashik Joshi, shall I raise the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And it is the third question. In figure, AB parallel to CD, in figure AB parallel to CD is parallel to EF. Three parallel lines are there, parallel to EF. Y is to Z equal to 3 is to 7. Ratio is given. Find the X. Find the X. Ramya also has given me. Okay, children. See here. See, children, y is to x is given as 3 is to 7. Listen, children, where is y and z? Y and z. Hello? Listen to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Y and z. Y and z. Y and z. Is there a connection between y and z? Y and Z are two different angles. There is no connection between those two. It is not corresponding angle. It is not alternate interior angle. There is no connection. But we can write this angle. What is this? What is this?
Vertical opposite of y.
Vertically opposite of y. That means we can write there as y. Now there is a connection between y and z. Now it is given that y equal to z equal to 3 is to 7. Now there is a connection between y and z. What is the connection between y and z? What is the sum y and z? 180-degree, because if y is here on the top, we cannot connect them. See, children? See, y actually given in some other place. If y stands there, you cannot connect with z. Clear? So as a vertically opposite angle, we are writing y as this side. So we can connect y and z because they are interior angles on the same side of the transversal and are supplementary. Okay. So now you can connect this. Y is to z. When you add y plus z, you will get 180-degree because these are interior angles on the same side. On the same side. Now children, you can take y as 3x and z as 7x. Will you find out? Yes? Will you find out now? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Find out. That is 3x plus 7x equal to 180. 10x equal to 180. X equal to 180 by 10 equal to 18. Yes. Now 3x equal to 3 into 18. How much? 54. Clear? We had done this question earlier. Now 7x equal to 7 into 18. $126. Children, I'll write here. Z is, Y is 54 and Z is 126. Y is 54 and Z is 126. Now 54. Now will you can you find out x? Can you find out x, children?
I'm in the angles on same side.
Yes, yes, yes. Find out that. Find out the answer.
$126.
Yes. Yes, children, what is x?
126.
180 minus 180 minus 120, 180 minus how much?
54.
54. And it is 126. Okay. X is 126. Okay. Y is 54. Check your answer. Y is 54. Minute. Y is 54. Check your answer, children. Y is 54. Is it correct? You got the same answer, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Z equal to 126
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
and
ma'am.
X equal to 126.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, shall I wind up the class now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children,
ma'am.
it's time to wind up. So,
Thank you,
study
ma'am.
well. Okay, children, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.